Coming out of the direct talks in the Ethiopian capital, both delegations indicated that they had ironed out their differences over the question of cessation of hostilities. They say they have also reached on a common ground on almost all outstanding issues surrounding the fighting and were ready to put pen to paper. The parties resolved to tackle the issue of detainees separately. The presence of the Ugandan troops in South Sudan, however, remains an obstacle, with the rebel team insisting that the UPDF must pull out. Separately, the European Union has donated 1.1 million euros for the facilitation of the talks in Addis Ababa between the South Sudanese parties. It is hoped that a deal will come through this weekend, that if an amicable solution to the presence of the foreign troops is found. Grumjala CCTV, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.